Aye.
This is the wall that we were supposed to make. Roof upon putting the ring beam by Monday, because tomorrow we have to rest a bit, it's a weekend. So on Monday we are putting a ring beam here. So let me show you the metal. So I'm going also to show you the house, inside the house, so that you see what next should be done. What they have done. So here is Philista. So we need to complete this house as fast as possible, so that Philista can have a complete house to stay in. You can just see as we go. So this is the house of Philista. So we tried and hired also some chairs, some tables. So this is the ring beam. So this ring beam will be placed on the wall to strengthen also the wall for the support. So it will be done on Monday. So this is the house of Philista, and there is also another room inside here. So we have placed also a room where Philista will sleep in, and we've tried as much as possible. Just bring. So this is also another room. You can just see, to put this wall. You can just see now, this is how the house of Philista will be. Get going. That is how we have done it a little bit. And this is where you saw the other day Philista was cooking in. So you can see this is where Philista was cooking, as we show you the other time. So we've tried to improve a little bit some things, some utensils and other things. So upon completion, we will show you. So tomorrow we are going, on Monday we shall finish the roof, and right now Philista can have somewhere to sleep. Philista, just come. So this is Philista. So we still need a lot of things to do to make sure that we complete this house of Philista. Let us just come in this side. So we still need a lot of things to do to complete this house, to make sure that Philista is now staying in a good house, good beddings, good chair, and a little bit some support that Philista can use as she move on. Because we were also planning to give her a medical cover, so that when Philista is sick, there is no need for Philista to use his or her own money. It will be, the medical cover have been taken care of. So that is what I'm looking forward to do with this window. So upon completion of that wall, upon putting the ring beam and we complete also the roof, we will let you know. Thank you so much. For those people who stood with the Philista and say that they need to support Philista, please, we thank you so much. We thank you so much. As we shall be going forward to do the rest of things to make sure that we do, may God bless you so much. Philista, just tell them, God bless you.
God bless you.
Let me translate. Erokamano. So Philista is so happy. Let us do the rest of things as we see. Thank you, Ellen, for the support, and together with the team, we are looking forward to do the rest. Thank you so much.